Samsung has launched the Galaxy XCover 7 Pro, which is a rugged smartphone specifically designed for businesses and field workers. According to various sources, this device is an enhanced version of the previously existing XCover 7, which was introduced last year, but it didn't have a Pro edition. Therefore, it is actually the successor to the Galaxy XCover 6 Pro that was presented in 2022. This new model brings several advances in areas such as display, processor, cameras, battery, and even connectivity. Allow me to describe its features step by step. This device boasts a sturdy design with IP certification for water and dust resistance. It features thick rubber edges that reinforce the device and absorb impacts from falls, and it includes Gorilla Glass Victus Plus to protect the screen from any impact. Furthermore, it meets the STD military standard to endure extreme conditions like excessive heat or cold and more. The screen of this device is a 6-inch LCD featuring full HD resolution and a refresh rate of 120 Hz. It is also equipped with Vision Booster technology, which enhances the brightness when exposed to direct sunlight by slightly altering colors to boost contrast and enhance sharpness. Additionally, it includes a touch-sensitive mode, allowing the display to be operated while wearing gloves, making it perfect for work environments where such accessories are necessary. It houses the Snapdragon S Gen 3, a 4nm chip with a Cortex core at 2.5 GHz, 3 at 2.4 GHz, and 4 Cortex at 1.8 GHz, emphasizing efficiency. The GPU is the Adreno 710, paired with 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage, running Android 15 with One UI 7. Notably, it includes AI features like Circle to Search, Object Eraser, AI Select, and a function to read pages aloud. In the camera section, the back features a main camera with a resolution of 50 megapixels, accompanied by an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera. Additionally, there is a 13-megapixel front camera, marking an improvement over previous generations. The battery capacity is not particularly large, at 4,350 mAh. However, it is user removable, so if you run out of power, you can easily take another battery and insert it into the device. It supports charging at 15 watts via USB 3.2, as well as through pogo pins, which are quite common in the industry. This means you can easily place the cell phone on a special base, available from different companies to rapidly charge your phones or keep the batteries prepared. It provides connectivity options like G-Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.4 NFC, and includes slots for both a physical SIM card and an eSIM as well. It features stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos and a Samsung Knox side fingerprint reader, which provides a significantly enhanced security approach. Additionally, there are 2 customizable buttons known as the top key and cover key, designed for tasks such as scanning barcodes, making them particularly useful for delivery drivers. This device has been introduced at a price of approximately $693. However, the sales strategy for this device is known as B2B, meaning it is specifically targeted at companies looking to purchase these devices for their employees. Do you think Samsung should sell these devices directly to consumers?